To use Auction Now, please sign up for membership. Here's how to register for Auction Now membership. You can participate in the bidding by selecting the vehicle you want and setting a proxy bid amount. Proxy bidding is available from 3 p.m. the day before the live auction to 11 a.m. on the day. Enter your destination port. You can check the estimated shipping cost. Please check the PI amount you bid on in the auction and upload the remittance receipt to the site. Shipping will begin once your payment is confirmed. You can check the delivery status and related documents in order status.